So we've looked at pots, parcels, and plates, and we're going to skip the plans section for now, because the fact of the matter is plans often are never completed. So let's just work with reality, what actually happens. If we go to January, for example, and we're set up for action on January the 9th, and then on January, say the 10th, what happens is that we go grocery shopping and we spend $115.35 in groceries, and it shows up in the black area here. And this time we use a debit card to pay for our groceries, and we show that with a negative $115.35. What we've done in effect is we've tracked our bank balance.
But we see here, Tom, that there is a pretty big negative number here in the margin here. So somehow we haven't tracked like $1,610. How can we fix that?
Yeah, that's a good question. Those little black marks are spills in the kitchen. We don't want to be spilling money. Now, because we jump in the middle of the year, or January 9th, and we don't want to keep tracking everything in the past, but we want to get rid of these spills, we're just going to put in a number under extra income, which is really a combination of a whole bunch of, on January the 9th, we're going to put that in there, of 1610.73, and it'll eliminate that. So we have no spills in the kitchen. We've recorded our first transaction. We bought some groceries, and now we are tracking our actual bank balance.